Welcome to this mini morsel. I'm Jan, the infant toddler specialist at Early Childhood Connections. Choosing childcare. Childcare is more than a drop-off place for children while their parents are at work. They should be places of care, along with providing activities and teaching skills in social, emotional, physical, and intellectual development. Dr. Ron Lawley, co-director of PITC, the Program for Infant Toddler Caregivers, says that child care is both science and art. The science part is the child development aspect in knowing how children grow and develop. And the art aspect is developing the relationship of care and knowing how to live with children every day. For a parent looking for child care, it can be extremely hard. Turning their child over to the hands of a caregiver is very emotional. I think this quote by Elizabeth Stone is very fitting. She says, "Making the decision to have a child is momentous. It is to decide forever to have your heart go walking around outside your body." In talking to parents in our Responsive Parenting series, we make the following suggestions. Think about your individual child and what his or her temperament is like. Does he need more of a calm atmosphere or one that will provide for his high activity level? Number of children and size of group can impact your child's comfort level. It's hard to get your needs met when there are too many children vying for the provider's attention. Training and education enhances the skill level of a provider as well as experience does. So you will want to ask about that. You'll also want to ask questions concerning their guidance policy and what consequences a child will receive if they misbehave. Providers can vary on this very important topic. Of course, you'll want to consider the cost and does it fit within your budget. In addition, the location and hours of service may be extremely important to you. Is the home or facility clean and safe? And what kinds of meals and snacks are served? Ask about the daily schedule and what activities to enhance your child's development are offered. And of course, visit the child care setting yourself and plan on spending some time in it so that you get a real feel for the home or program. Make a second visit and this time bring your child with you. In the end, you will be able to make a much more informed decision about what works best for your family. There are several kinds of care available to parents in Rapid City and the surrounding area. The majority of care is done in family child care, where a person cares for children in the home she or he lives in. But there are also many licensed center-based programs of various sizes to choose from. In rural areas in South Dakota, it can be challenging as there may not be as many options. For referral in South Dakota, go to www.dss.sd.gov/childcare and select Search for Childcare for a menu of registered and licensed providers in your area. You can also call our office, Early Childhood Connections, at 342-6464, and Debbie can assist you with a list of child care providers in our area. Thank you. See you next time.